cool. Let's see how this works. New mic setup. I hope that doesn't fly off. It's probably gonna fly off. Either way, we're gonna take a quick drive. This is my first time testing out this setup. I hope it comes out all right. We'll see when I go to edit it how the audio came out, I guess. And that should be a good enough angle. Trying to test out this setup to make the, you know, the review videos and whatnot a little bit better, because I know with the GoPro, the built-in audio recording just isn't all that great for catching exhaust clips. So if I can get this to work, it'll be really good for the channel, I believe. Now we just gotta hope that it won't fall off with that fucking Amazon special suction cup. Depending on how this turns out, I might need to set up a way to record audio under the hood as well, especially when it comes to like turbo cars, because people love hearing blow-off valves and intakes. So that'll be the next step. But let's just see how this goes first. Also, people really seem to enjoy the last POV driving video I did, so that's also a bonus. Also, this allows me to record footage from inside the car and still get the exhaust sounds. That way I don't gotta drive with the windows down and hope the GoPro catches it, you know, good enough. Just a little test, Honestly, I don't even know if this is gonna actually, you know, be a full driving video. We'll see. gonna be so hurt if I pull up to this damn house and the microphone is just gone. I think that should be good enough for testing, and we'll just see how the audio turns out. Hey, it's still there. Hell yeah. Let me go ahead and stop.